On a typical day, the sun shines brightly with a few small clouds in the sky. Humans wake up to carry out their daily tasks, each with their own interests and thoughts. As the hours pass from dawn, everything seems to indicate that this day will be ordinary. Suddenly, the radiant day begins to dim in an unusual way, and darkness rushes in at noon. All eyes turn to the sky. Today marks a predicted forecast. Through news and media, it had been forecasted that the moon would cover the sun at noon. Curious onlookers had awaited this moment to witness a celestial phenomenon not so common in everyday life. However, science had predicted this event many months before, relying on precise measurements. Once again, mankind has witnessed a total eclipse. Solar eclipses have been a source of awe and mystery throughout human history. These cosmic events, where the moon comes between the Earth and the sun, creating a unique celestial spectacle, have captured the imagination of cultures worldwide. We will explore the different types of solar eclipses, their impact on Earth and society, as well as the fascinating stories and myths that have emerged around them. Types of solar eclipses. There are several types of solar eclipses, each with distinctive characteristics that make them unique. The most well-known is the total eclipse, where the moon completely covers the solar disk, briefly plunging regions under its shadow into darkness. This phenomenon has been celebrated and feared throughout history, with ancient civilizations interpreting it as a divine omen or an event of great astrological significance. Another type of solar eclipse is the annular eclipse, in which the moon is farther from Earth in its elliptical orbit, making its apparent size smaller than that of the sun. This results in a ring of fire around the dark edge of the moon during the eclipse's maximum, creating an impressive image in the sky. In addition to these, there are partial eclipses, where only part of the sun is obscured by the moon, and hybrid eclipses, which begin as annular and end as total or vice versa, depending on the viewing location. Scientific and observational impact. Solar eclipses are not only visually stunning spectacles, but also hold great scientific value. During a total eclipse, the sun's atmosphere, known as the solar corona, becomes visible from Earth. This has allowed astronomers to study it in detail and gather crucial information about its physical and dynamic properties. Furthermore, solar eclipses provide a unique opportunity to study the behavior of animals and plants during these events. Changes in the behavior of birds, mammals, and other living beings have been observed during the temporary darkness caused by a total eclipse, leading to research on how these events affect life on our planet. In terms of observation, solar eclipses attract millions of people worldwide who want to witness this celestial phenomenon in person. This has led to the development of technologies and methods for safely observing eclipses, such as using solar protection glasses and telescopes equipped with special filters. Culture and mythology. Solar eclipses have left a deep imprint on the culture and mythology of various societies throughout history. In many ancient cultures, eclipses were seen as highly significant events and were often attributed with symbolic or religious meanings. For example, in Norse mythology, it was believed that the wolves Skoll and Hati chase the sun and the moon respectively, and eclipses occurred when they finally caught them. In ancient China, solar eclipses were seen as omens of bad fortune, and rituals were performed to ward off the dragons believed to be devouring the sun. On the other hand, in the Incan culture of South America, eclipses were interpreted as signs of the gods' wrath, and offerings and ceremonies were conducted to appease them. Today, solar eclipses continue to be objects of fascination and study. Scientific research during these events continues to provide valuable information about the sun and its environment, while real-time dissemination through media and social networks allows millions of people worldwide to witness these cosmic spectacles. Furthermore, solar eclipses have inspired works of art, literature, and music throughout history, and remain a source of inspiration for contemporary artists. Photographers, filmmakers, and writers find in these events a unique opportunity to capture the beauty and mystery of the cosmos. Solar eclipses are extraordinary cosmic phenomena that have captivated humanity since time immemorial. Their scientific, cultural, and emotional impact is undeniable, and each time they occur, they remind us of our connection to the vast universe around us. As we continue to explore and understand the cosmos, solar eclipses will remain a powerful reminder of the wonder and complexity of our universe.